Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video is going to be on this look here. This look is inspired by Beyonce's Coachella looks. I wanted to recreate a really easy, simple, and affordable look that she had on at Coachella this past weekend. I keep calling it Beychella, that's why it's called Beychella, because everybody has been calling it Beychella. I really wish I would have went this year, but I didn't. But hopefully next year. I wanted to recreate Beyonce's look from Beychella, so let me know how you guys like it. Let me know if you guys seen her performance and what you thought of it. I thought it was amazing. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and if you guys want to see how I got this really simple, easy, affordable Beychella look, then just keep watching. Thanks guys. Alright, so I did my brows off camera because you guys know too much. For my primer today, I'm going to use these two primers here. The first one is the Infallible Matte Lock Primer, just because I have combo skin and I want to keep my makeup matte. And then Beyonce did have a little bit of a glow look to her. I think it was glow because you know the queen doesn't sweat, but so I'm assuming that it was glow because it was like at the end of the performance. The picture that I'm going off of, it's like at the end of the performance, so I don't know if it's glow or sweat. I don't know, but I'm gonna say it's glow. So I'm gonna add a little bit of this Backlight primer into my primer so I can have a little bit of an extra glow going on. So Beyonce also had like a really natural makeup look going on. She didn't have like a really dramatic look or anything like that. She had a really natural look, so that's what I'm gonna go for today. And I decided to go ahead and skip out on foundation, just use a powder foundation today. So with that being said, I'm gonna go in with my concealer first. I'm gonna use the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. She didn't have like a really extra highlight going on, but she did have a little bit of a highlight going on. So I'm gonna add a little bit under my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, and my forehead. And what is under my eyes, I'm also going to blend on my eyelids, and that's going to work as my eyeshadow primer today. And of course I'm going to go ahead and set that. I'm going to use this Mercier translucent loose setting powder. And I just added it everywhere I put the concealer. So I'm going to go ahead and dust it off because I don't leave my powder on too long because it can get a little cakey. I'm going to go in with my Matte Studio Fix powder, and this is going to play as my foundation today, just because like I said, Beyonce had a really natural beat look going on, and I didn't want to add like a liquid foundation and just have too much going on. So I'm going to go in with this powder just to kind of give it a really natural skin light look. So next I'm going to go in with my bronzer. Out of all of the makeup that she had on, bronzer really stood out the most to me. I don't know if it was just like her contour or what. So I'm just gonna go in with it. It's so weird because it looked natural, but it really stood out to me. So I'm gonna go in with my natural bronzer that I love so much. This is the L'Oreal LUMI Bronze It, and this one is in the shade Deep. This one is in the shade Deep. So her blush really didn't stand out much to me, so I'm just gonna go in with this satin blush from Essence. It's kind of like a satin coral one. It's really like, it gives you like a flush blush tone, but it's not like, it doesn't really stand out much. So I'm gonna go in with this one. She had a really nice highlight. It was really subtle, but she had it like on the highest points of her cheekbone. She had some on her nose. She even had some on the top of her lip and on her chin and everywhere like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and just add a really nice subtle highlight. I've just been obsessed with this one, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use this one. This one is from Maybelline. This is actually an eyeshadow. This is one of the expert wear eyeshadows, and this one is in the shade Nude Glow. So I'm just gonna go ahead and dust this on the highest points of my cheekbones, down the bridge of my nose, my lip, chin, everywhere that Beyonce had highlight. You know, just gonna blend everything together and just make it look as natural as I can, like how she did. So I'm just gonna use a stippling brush to do that. Moving on to the eyes, like I said, she had a really natural beat going on, so I'm just going to use Juvia's Place the Nubian palette, just because I mean it's already mimicking me like a queen, right? But I'm just gonna focus on these two shades up here. The one, and this one's gonna be my transition shade today. And then I'm going to go in with this shade here. And this one is like literally the same color as my skin tone. So I'm just going to put this on all over my lid. And then I'm just going to take whatever's left on that blending brush and just blend it in. Alright, and then for her lower lash line, I noticed that she had like a little bit of a darker shade on the lower lash line, but it wasn't too dark to where it stood out, I noticed. So she didn't really have like much of a smoky look going on. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this shade here, and I'm going to apply that with a very light hand to the outer part of my lower lash line, because she didn't have it going all the way in, she just had it on the outer part. So just a little bit. B always has flawless lashes, so I'm just going to go in with my faves at the moment. These are Salon Perfect 615. I wanted to keep this super affordable, so these are like the most affordable lashes I own, and I love these. So I'm just going to go ahead and pop these on. And for my mascara, I'm just going to use the Total Temptation mascara from Maybelline. So I have to prime my eyes beforehand. B had like a brownish mauve lip going on, at least in the picture that I'm going off, and I couldn't decide whether or not she was more so of this shade of mauve or like more of a pinkier. So I'm gonna go in with this one first, and then I'm gonna go in with this one on top if I need it, but I may not need it. To line my lips, I'm just gonna go in with this NYX lip liner. This one is in the shade mauve. And with this lipstick, this is the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte in the shade Spice Girl. I don't think I need to lighten it up or anything, so I think we're going to stick with this color. I'm going to go ahead and set my face. MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. Alright guys, so that is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this really quick, easy, simple, affordable Beychella inspired look. And yeah, let me know if you guys have recreated her look from Coachella. If you have, leave your links in the comment below. And I think that is about it. So I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.